Good evening, everyone. It is February 16, 2017. We are doing a personal break for Trev in the YouTube stream. He purchased two personal boxes of 2016-17 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey. We just did one for George in the Breaker stream. He got box 10. So Trev goes, correct, 911. Call it, friends. So he's getting box 9. And this would have been box 11. So these are the two boxes Trev is getting. Right here. We'll put those back there. So here it is, guys. Two boxes for Trev of Series 2 Hockey. If you too would like a personal box with us, email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. That way I can send you a list and the prices. And good luck to Trev.
What's up, Dennis? I think so. None of the guys are here. I'm assuming that's it. Okay, tell me what's up.
Alright, Trev, I'm gonna pack stack one side, like I was doing it for George, and then
oh, is this that Series 2?
Yeah, I already pulled a line in. Young gun. They said an acid hit of Mitch Marner brought in $2,000.
Nice, nice.
Oh, no problem, Trev. Yeah, I mean, we were trying to stick to the breaks, but I guess we did have an extra case to do personals. So that way, once the break gets done on the website, we'll only have one more case, and either we can turn it into a break again if people want to run back another break, or if I sell out of the case, then we can turn that into a personal. So I know people. I mean, the thing is that these boxes are not super expensive, and obviously, you know, you hit a line name Mitch Marner, that pays for the box and more. But I guess some people still really can't afford a whole box, so that's why breaking comes to it, you know. And maybe some people only want to collect, you know, Austin Matthews instead of Patrick Laine, or, you know, vice versa. But yeah, personal is the way to go if you do want to keep everything. So that's the good thing about breaking. Group breaking, I mean. Yeah, I mean, George got his paid for, that's right. that line name paid for the box and a little extra. Alright, so let's put that right there. We'll do half the stack. Oh, also, George, we also do dual stream on YouTube. Most of my customers are on YouTube. I still have a handful of customers on Breakers, but if Breakers ever is kind of like slow to you, you can always go to YouTube. It's a nice, much crisper stream as well. And they have a chat just as Breakers does. Alright, Trev, good luck, man. Mitch Marner, look at that. That's a UD Portraits, and that's a 91 of 99. Not a young gun, but still at a 99. So there's one right there. Anthony Boulaviller.
Well, listen, Jason, I know watching live is always preferable, but
there's a young gun.
You know, if you
Tomas Chabot.
Just know that we always
young gun for the Ottawa Senators.
Videos pretty much immediately after we break a product, so you can always check, always watch the videos there, so you'll never actually miss a break. But I realize that watching live is a lot more fun.
Ivan Provorov, rookie card for the Flyers. This is pretty cool. I think I'm just going to put it in the penny sleeve. Jacob Larson, UD Young Guns canvas. Whoa.
Indians gets subscribed, and coach also gets Indians National Treasures. There we go. So now both Immaculate and National Treasures moving nicely. Daniel Pelletier with National Treasures A's. There we go.
Alright, so there's that half of the stack. Let's go with this stack.
I do appreciate the efforts, though, Jason K. Alright,
Travis Kaneki. Oh, I think they went to go get food. PK Subban and Shea Weber checklist. Man, I do not even know how to pronounce this guy. That's Zane. McTire? Sorry about that, guys. We'll just call him James. Just call him James. Unless you guys know the pronunciation. If you want to help me out in the chat. There's a young gun. Nick Paul. McIntyre? Alright. Okay, cool. That's much easier, right? Jaden Schwartz, UD Canvas. Wow, Jacob Larson, look at that. Young Guns. Aaron Dell. Young Gun for the San Jose Sharks.
And just kind of let us know what happened. We'll have either Nick or myself after I go off here. Like one of us, one of our team members here, will take a look at that, see what happened.
Alright. Now let's go with this stack. Crosby just got his 1,000th point tonight. Sweet. Any Young Gun clear is really good. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure, right?
Yeah, Ethan, by the time you say that, someone might actually buy it. So get it. Or you know what? The way we're kind of jackals.
Well, I'm hoping that
So if you say you might
Adrian Kempe for the Kings gets his first point tonight.
getting a good feeling,
If not his first NHL goal. That's what I'm hoping for.
too late. You're like, oh man, why?
I've been waiting for this kid to be called up for the last couple years. Kings have been pretty loaded with talent. Obviously, they have trouble scoring. Although Jeff Carter this year has been killing it, but finally got his first NHL call-up from Ontario, and he's making his debut, and he's playing on the top line with Andrei Kopitar. So, what a way to start your career, right? Playing with Kopitar on the first line. Kings drafted Adrian Kempe when he was only like 17, so he just turned 20 in September, so he's still very, very young.
24.99. There you go, folks. 24.99.
All right, Radulov,
On that one.
Jacob Larson, OPG, marquee rookie. Philip Forsberg canvas.
Are you saying rest in peace, guys?
They're playing against the Coyotes, Arizona Coyotes today, which shouldn't be too much trouble for the Kings, but for some reason against the Coyotes, the Kings match up very well and they tend to lose. It's one of those teams. Ivan Provorov, UD Portraits. Miles Wood, Young Guns. So how many Young Guns has that been really quick? Let me check it out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Has that really been 6? Should be getting more though, right? Does the clear count as a Young Gun? I guess it does, right? Alright. Let's see what's in this stack. And then we'll start. Oh, here's a Mikko Koivu UD canvas. Then we'll start with your second box, Trev.
As a football fan, I think it's actually a pretty solid back. Depends on whether they can balance out that offense. They got to get some QB action going there. Max Lynch, maybe?
Nikita Shoshnikov.
Simeon.
Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs.
One left now. Looks like this will be our first break of the day. Nice. Good start.
PK Subban O-Pee-Chee.
Yeah, well, keeps the leads kind of.
Christian Dvorak UD Portraits.
He doesn't have to do that. Didn't have to do that.
Frederick Anderson O-Pee-Chee. And Mark McNeil, Young Guns, for the Blackhawks. All right, Trev, that was your first box. So a little recap. Here were your Young Guns and your other hits, your canvases. And you got a Mitch Marner out of 99. So that was one box, Trev. Now let's go to the second box, would have been box 11. That was a pretty nice first box for Trev. Got that Mitch Marner UD Portraits out of 99. You got a clear Young Guns. Got a Young Gun canvas. So, wasn't too bad of a first box. Plus, you never know, man. If these guys, Young Guns that aren't playing in the NHL yet or aren't a superstar, like, you know, line and all that, doesn't mean their Young Guns can't turn into something else.
Thanks, man.
All right, Trev, here's your second box. Wow, look at that. You got a UD Signatures for the Sabres. Nicholas.
Got one. Max and Brian got one. Jeff got three. Got it. Dennis got one. Richard Crescent
Yeah, call Ryan, right? Where's Ryan at?
got two. George got one. Bruce got one.
Yeah, we will be in we'll be in Chicago for the National. We've been for the last couple years, so we'll definitely be there.
Jonathan got one.
Nick Schmaltz, UD Portraits.
Wolf got one. Rory got two.
Christian Dvorak, O-Pee-Chee.
Bruce got one. Michael G got two.
Here's a Young Gun.
How could I miss Corey K?
Johan.
I gotta
LT.
do that, man.
LVTU.
How could I forget
Johan.
K? Unbelievable.
Oh, yeah, nice, Trev. I look forward to meeting you over there.
Sorry, Corey.
A lot of our customers go to the National every year, and that's where we get to meet them in person.
We're good. I got everyone else.
UD Young Guns UD Canvas, Chabot.
Bruce got another one. Paul got two. George got another one. Ed, then you, Megan, Scott, and Boy got one.
Can't help you with the pronunciation, Jim, you mean?
Johnny Cash. Wait, Axel. Yeah. When's Johnny? What did you say about Johnny Cash's birthday?
UD Canvas, David Backus.
26th. Maybe an all Johnny Cash playlist.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. All right, Jim. So I'm not the only one that doesn't really know most of these hockey names. I feel like everybody else does, because you guys probably watch hockey a lot more than I do. Because I can't really watch hockey anymore in the nights because I'm working here now. But sometimes I feel like I'm the only one. Look at that. You got a Young Guns checklist. Mitch Marner and Patrick Laine.
Thursday at 16 is going to be League Grade 6 football. One box random team break number 11. Big thanks to all
Sweet.
for getting into the action. All teams are in, no combos, let's roll the dice. Randomizing each list 6 and a 1 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115,
UD Canvas, JT Miller.
Here, great. And then we have all the teams 7 times. There's about 1.
All right, let's go with this stack now.
Eagles on top. Lions on the bottom. What's up, Jeremy?
Alrighty. So let's see what other young guns are you gonna get, Trev.
Alright, so
And hopefully, guys, let's start trimming down that Series 2 break. We're down to 17. We're almost halfway there.
Pat, Eagles,
So
George, Cole, Jonathan,
let's do that.
Jet, Jared 33, and Corey Hay.
All right, no problem, Ian. I'll do it right now.
Warren,
Watch it actually just happen right now. Well, if anyone's gonna pull, it's gonna be me. The biggest odds I've ever pulled was that black and white art card, Connor McDavid out of Portfolio Hockey. They said it was 1 in every like 50, 60,000 odds. It was crazy. And I pulled that for Tim Langston like the second week we were streaming here at HobbyLand back in December. It was like 1 in every 60,000 packs. It's crazy. All right, Trev. Good luck. It's not that big of an odds. Checklist right there again. Here's a young gun right here. Oliver Kylington. Young gun for the Calgary Flames.
Bears for Cowboys, maybe, says Jason K.
Jesse Puljujarvi, UD Portraits. Zach Parise, UD Canvas. Jordan Eberle. That's a clear.
That's my favorite name for Osweiler as well. Rock Lobster.
Young gun for the Red Wings.
Like, if he had
Tyler Bertuzzi, I mean. Tyler Bertuzzi.
you should walk up to Rock Lobster.
What's going on here? All right, next stack. Bushnevich.
Okay, I don't think there's any trade.
Charlie Lindgren, Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens. Jason Dickinson, Young Gun. Oh, Charlie Lindgren. Yeah, that's the goal you were talking about, right, Derek? That sells between 100 to 200. Sweet. And the last couple of cards right here. All right, Trev, that was your break. So let's recap both boxes. So this was the box I just did right here. Dickinson, Lindgren, Young Guns. Bertuzzi, Eberle. Got a Mitch Marner Line 8 checklist. And here's that guy, Ryan, the one that they were talking about. Sabres autograph, UD Signatures. So that was this box, and then this box had this one. Mark McNeil, Shoshnikov, Jacob Larson. That's a clear.
There's no cut auto spots for this particular break.
And a Mitch Marner out of 99.
If there is one.
All right, Trev. Thanks for getting that two personal boxes. For anybody else that does want to get a personal Series 2 or any other personal box, we do have a list and prices of. Email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.